Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening the exact place where Scribble lives. Insert, Drawing New. You need a browser or device that accepts freehand input. A mouse works, but a stylus or trackpad feels better. Once the canvas appears, choose Line and then Scribble so you can draw freely. Do this now. Don't waste time toggling other menus. Doing it this way ensures your strokes are vector shapes inside a drawing, which makes them editable and scalable without losing sharpness. You'll draw directly on the canvas, so relax and make confident strokes. If you need a straight segment, hold Shift to constrain direction. Once done, switch to the Select tool to move, rotate, or resize individual scribbles. Make sure to use Edit to tweak anchor points for cleaner curves and corners. If scribbles overlap, use Arrange to send elements forward or backward so your composition reads correctly. This stage is where precision matters. Small adjustments make the final document look intentional. Save and close to embed the drawing into your document. Once placed, you can click it and choose Edit to return to the same Scribble canvas for further tweaks. Make sure to resize within the drawing editor rather than stretching in the document to preserve stroke quality. If something looks flattened or uneditable, reopen the drawing immediately. This restores vector editing. If the feature is missing, confirm you're using the Web Docs interface. Mobile or restricted accounts sometimes hide drawing features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.